Starting a private equity firm can seem daunting, but with the right steps, it can be a rewarding journey. First things first, understanding what a private equity firm does is key. In simple terms, private equity firms invest in private companies or buyouts, aiming to improve their growth and then sell them for a profit. This means your firm will be about finding opportunities, investing wisely, and making key changes to boost company value. So, how do you start? You'll need a solid business plan. This plan acts as your roadmap. It should detail your investment strategy, target markets, types of companies you're interested in, and how you plan to grow these investments. Consider this your detailed game plan. Next, think about the structure of your firm. Will you go it alone or bring in partners? This decision impacts how you'll divide responsibilities and profits. Often, working with a trusted partner can bring in different expertise and share the workload. Another crucial consideration is your firm's long-term vision. Will you focus on short-term gains or take a more patient, hands-on approach to transforming businesses? This strategy will guide your investment decisions and help you identify the right opportunities. Now, let's talk funding. Private equity requires significant capital. You'll need to raise money from investors or institutions. Convincing them to trust you with their funds means showing them your firm's potential and how you plan to deliver returns. Legal matters are also crucial. You'll need to set up your firm with the correct legal structure. This is where legalregistration.com can be a huge help, guiding you through the incorporation process smoothly. It's essential to follow all regulations to avoid future headaches. Hiring the right team can make or break your firm. Surround yourself with experts who understand the industry and can spot opportunities. Building a team that shares your vision increases your chances of success. Marketing your firm is another vital step. Networking is your best friend here. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and cultivate relationships with potential investors and partners. The right connections can open doors to deals you wouldn't find otherwise. Finally, keep an eye on trends and adapt as needed. The business world is always changing, and being flexible can help you stay ahead. Whether it's new industries to invest in or fresh ways to grow companies, staying informed keeps your firm competitive. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, the #1 online incorporation service provider. For personalized help, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Remember, starting a private equity firm is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay focused, and keep learning. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights.